Imagine you wake up, and the internet is gone. But then you realize, what? It's not just you. The internet is down worldwide. First, offices grind to a halt. Banking systems freeze. Stock markets are completely frozen. Aviation switches to backup protocols. GPS loses its accuracy. Smart homes stop being so smart. Social media disappears. The whole world starts hitting refresh at the same time, overloading data centers. Satellites lose their connection. Deliveries are delayed. Hospitals go back to paper charts. Telecom operators scramble to fix everything. News networks can't get any data. Governments urge everyone to stay calm. After 30 minutes, a strange quiet falls over the world. People start talking to each other. For real, exactly 1 hour passes, and suddenly, the internet is back. All systems come back to life, and so does the chaos. Now you know what would happen if the internet disappeared. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.